finally time, guys. I got a new couch from 25 Home. That means I get to throw away this stupid old couch that's broken and I hate it so much. Do you want to unbox this new couch with me? Do you?
I had to call in reinforcements, so you're gonna see the husband and the child helping me unbox this new couch. I usually hate doing things like this with my husband because he is the king of micromanagement. Like, he was even telling me how to use a knife in this video, which was super irritating, and I hate doing things like this with him. But this wasn't so bad because it was super easy to put together. We just had to get it out of the box and snap it together. Literally, it was so easy. So he had very little to nitpick. That little nitpicking queen. Anyways, I love how big the boxes are. I'm going to keep them to let my toddler draw on them. She will love to get inside them and draw on them, and that will keep her occupied. Also, if you see any like loose toys or dirt or food on the floor, or you see that my blinds are really messed up, please note that I do live with a toddler and she ruins everything. She is little Tasmanian devil. And then watch me click it right here and click it right there, and bam! That's how you put the couch together. And it was super easy to move around. It's not too heavy. The pillows are nice and cute. It's comfortable. And yeah, I was done by the end of this, and we all snuggled up on the couch and we really like it. So yeah.